In the traditional recipe for duck confit by Auguste Escoffier in 1903, there is two regional ways to do it from Nantes, but also from Rouen. The very soft confit recipe is from Nantes with a side of beans because my boomer loves beans. You will dip your beans in the water at least 12 hours ahead. Then you will make chicken stock from the carcass that the butcher generously sold you for 17 euros. Once it is done, you can remove the bone and dip your beans in the tasty cuisine once it's cooled down. You will then bring it up to a boil and immediately bring it back down. They need to be cooking on pretty low heat. You can then melt some duck fat. If you don't have any, you can replace it with some Wagyu A5 human fat straight from America. You will then insert your salted duck thigh on the skin side. Do it with the other one and make sure they are completely brown under the fat. You will then flip them around every 10 minutes in order to have a very homogeneous cooking. You might notice a little bit of browning here, but it is not the point. First we need to confit it, so basically slow cook it on low heat, and then cover it and cast a spell to make sure it's cooked perfectly. Insert a very small pinch of salt into your beans, and you might then notice your duck is making big bubbles, which means the water at the bottom is evaporating and not able to mix with the fat, meaning the bottom of the pan is definitely above 100 degrees Celsius, which is too hot for confit, so you can reduce the heat a little bit. Flip your legs around and you can insert some thyme straight from the terroir titties. You will then crush some garlic with your bare hands and insert it into the mixture. You can then cover it up with a lid, keep flipping them around every 15-20 minutes, and you can also season your beans with some garlic and some thyme. After 2 to 3 hours your duck will be completely cooked. You might notice the bone is naked because of all the manhandling I've been giving it. Move it to a grid on top of a tray and you will be left with the tastiest fat you've ever seen in your whole life. First remove the perfect garlic which crushes from a simple poke of the finger. Make sure you eat it all because it's fucking delicious. Insert a little bit of water under your meat. You can also break the bone like this. This way it looks more Instagrammable. Unfortunately smashed it a little bit. It's okay, I'm not a fucking butcher. You can then remove the internal bone by grabbing it and twisting it a little bit like a lever and pulling a little bit, and you will find that the second bone of the tibia is also removed. You now have a beautiful boneless thigh. Brown them in the oven and strain your fat completely. Once your thighs are perfectly browned, you will then be left with 2 little beauties. I would rather eat those both sides than any of you losers' girlfriend's thighs. You can plate it with some beans on the side. Your boomer will love it. Boomers seem to love fucking beans. Put the first leg on your right shoulder and the second leg on your left shoulder. Here it is, your duck confit with the tastiest beans you've ever tasted. If your meat is properly confit, it means you can break it up with a spoon and also pull the bone like it is no problem, just as I like to pull the bra of your girlfriend.